Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. My today's recipe is Sweet Potato Tikkis. These sweet and spicy tikkis are healthy, easy to make, super yummy and go perfectly well with any chutney or sauce. And they also make for a tasty patty for any vegan or vegetarian burger. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll cook the sweet potato. Here I have taken a large sweet potato and will prick it with a fork. I'm going to bake the sweet potato, but you can pressure cook it as well. We'll bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for around 50 to 60 minutes. Now let it cool for some time. And then peel off the skin. We'll transfer it in a large bowl and add in half teaspoon red chilli powder. We'll also add half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon fennel seeds or saunf, half teaspoon chaat masala powder. We'll also grate some ginger. Now we'll add 2 medium-sized chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon dried fenugreek or kasuri methi, and to make it more nutritious, we'll add 1 cup oat flour, which is very easy to make at home. All you need to do is grind some oats in a blender to make a fine powder. We'll also add a teaspoon of salt. Now we'll mash the sweet potato and mix it really well with all the spices and flour. The tikki mixture is ready. Now we'll take a small portion from it and shape it into a tikki or patty. Similarly, we'll make more patties. Now we'll heat up about a tablespoon of oil in a pan. And add in the tikkis. Cook the tikkis on medium heat from both the sides till they are crisp and golden. These tikkis also make for a great addition to your salad bowl. You can also club them in a sandwich or make a wholesome wrap with them. I'm pairing these tikkis with my sweet and spicy coriander chutney. You can check out the recipe here or in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try these healthy and yummy sweet potato tikkis and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.